Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Tukzer tablet, iPad and laptop stand. This particular stand comes with radiator grille, solid structure and convenient foldable options. This is basically a foldable laptop stand. It's suitable for 8-inch tablet to 15.6-inch laptop. It's quite versatile as well. This particular laptop stand also comes with a 12-month warranty. We'll take a look at, okay, there's some specifications mentioned here. It says product material ABS plus silicone, suitable for 8-inch tablet to 15.6-inch tablet, as mentioned earlier. When closed, it's only 40 millimeters thick. That's not bad. And weight bearing capacity 3.5 kilos max. So that's the maximum load you can put on this particular stand. Let's open this box and see what's inside. There you go. This is what the Tukzer iPad, tablet and laptop stand looks like. This is convenient for all kinds of purposes, not just for tablets but also for laptops. So you can go as low as 8-inch tablet and as high as 15.6-inch. This is the radiator grille design that it comes in, and made out of plastic, of course, ABS plastic, but it's solid plastic as well. This is not going to break anytime soon. And this is the elevation stand at the end. So this has only one purpose, to give you a little bit of elevation, and you can control it as well according to your convenience. So that's great. This comes with a more than almost 120 degrees of swivel over here, as you can see. So that's almost 110 degrees, definitely 110 degrees. So yeah, you can also prop it up like so. You can gain, this is the height you can gain when you put it up like 90%. Also, there are some rubber elements over here. There are 2 rubber stops over here to make sure that the device that you're using is stable. And there's a rubber stop underneath over here as well. There's 1 over here and 2 over here. Just add a little bit of friction so that this does, so that your work and your workstation is stable. I have a laptop over here. Let's see. This is a 15.6-inch laptop, and yes, it fits almost perfectly here. There you go. And if you can see this, yeah, there you go. It fits almost perfectly here. So yeah, time to do the closing. So this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Tukzer tablet, iPad and laptop stand. Thank you for watching.